Hello friends, today's recipe is a biscuit kulfi. This recipe is super yummy and very easy to make. For this recipe I have taken 15 biscuits. Here I have used cashew biscuits. You can use biscuits of any type. Crush them into small pieces and put it into a blender. To that, add 5 cardamoms, 5 tablespoons of sugar. Grind everything to a fine powder. Add 1 teaspoon of cornflour, a few almonds. The almonds are absolutely optional. Grind well. Add 2 cups of milk. Blend again. Transfer this mixture into a saucepan. Cook on a low flame while stirring continuously. Cook till the mixture thickens. Once it has thickened, remove from flame and keep it to cool. Transfer this mixture into a blender and blend again. Your kulfi mixture is ready. Pour this kulfi mixture into kulfi molds or paper cups like I have done, since I don't have kulfi molds. Cover the cups with aluminium foil. If you don't have ice cream sticks to put into your kulfi molds, you can freeze it without the sticks and later remove it from the molds and slice it into nice roundels before use. Make small slits on the aluminium foil as shown. Insert ice cream sticks into the slit. Keep the kulfis to freeze for at least 6 hours. After 6 hours, your kulfi is ready to eat. Demold the kulfis. Your biscuit kulfi is ready. Garnish with a few almond pieces, and this is absolutely optional. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.